We just got back in town from Chicago. One of our orders came in. I know it's a... so, let's see what we got.
It's playing, right? Just show me a red button.
Yeah, did you not hit record? Okay. She's working on it. She's working on it. So, I gotta print out some of those. I need a knife. No, I don't. Hold on. Not you, Mom. Anyway, let's see what's in here. We just got these in. So, this is what we got in. We got Uncanny X-Men 34.
Wind's gonna break you in the door, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the part for it today. The wind caught it and broke it. Hold on 1 second, boss. We got more Jubilee covers. We got the row covers of 34. What else did we get in this one? More row covers. We got the new Daredevil, issue 5. We got an Alien. I don't remember ordering that one. But somehow we got an Alien 5. We got X-Men 34. The variant. Then we have Daredevil issue 5. So, that is weird how they did that. Alien, Killer Kings, I don't remember that. Got here. Okay, so we got Amazing Spider-Man 34. This is my favorite one. We got a couple copies of this. Amazing Spider-Man 34 Up variant. And then we have Amazing Spider-Man 34 variant. So that's what came in this week. Oh, also, we got the Fan Expo Absolute Batman. There's only 1,000 made. We got these available in store. So if you guys need a copy, this is issue 20, Absolute Batman 20. We have a few copies left. So those are available on our whatnot. And if you guys are interested, leave a comment below and I'll get you guys an issue that you're looking for if you guys are interested in any of these. Until next time, peace.